Come to Big Polly's Sports Bar in Newcastle.
The place is spacious with all the seating you'll need, with 2 bars and a huge menu that features wings, pizza, sandwiches, burgers, pasta, and fries.
Big Polly's
is just right to watch the game. You'll love the sports memorabilia throughout the bar. There's plenty of parking too.
Big Polly's Sports Bar
in Newcastle at 207 East Long Avenue. Call 724-658-8800. That's 658-8800.
Hey, here's a quick reminder, and if you've never heard them before, go watch Midnight Mass on NCTV45. You'll be impressed. This is the St. Vitus Choir rehearsals. They're from 7 to 8:30 on Wednesday, and that is May 10th. So make sure you have your singing voice, and for everybody, and those choir members watching, and I know who they are, make sure that you remember about choir rehearsal. Now, we'll be back in a flash right after this.